Hi, so now we're going to take the example of an incoming call which we want to route through to a department or a team, and we're going to see that team, all the mobile phone apps within that team all going to ring as part of the group that they're in. So the incoming call comes in now and I can take that as an operator. Here I am, I'm going to answer the phone. And how can I direct your call, please?
Hello, can I talk to complex cases, please?
No problem, let me just put you through now. So we're going to use the transfer button again as we used before. We just click here to transfer and we type in the name of the department, complex cases, there we are. We select the department and we hit transfer now. Now you can see that the call is being transferred to the group of phones which are in the complex cases team, and that people can have time to answer their phones, or if they don't, it will go through to a voicemail.
Voicemail for complex cases team. Please leave your name and a message and someone will get back to you as soon as possible.
Okay.